What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the latest, the loudest, and the most legendary rides. Today, we're diving into the rugged and rebellious 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4, a beast that continues the legacy of off-road freedom while embracing the future with bold tech and fierce design. If you thought the previous models were wild, wait till you see what Ford has done this time. The 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4 is a perfect fusion of vintage grit and modern muscle. At first glance, the classic boxy silhouette is still proudly there, but now it's more refined, aerodynamic, and aggressive. With updated LED lighting, a bold new grille, and 35-inch off-road tires, this Bronco is made to conquer everything from deserts to downtown. Under the hood, Ford is offering multiple powertrains. The standard 2.7L EcoBoost V6 packs an impressive 330 horsepower, but the highlight is the new hybrid twin-turbo option, delivering more power with better fuel efficiency. For off-road purists, the G.O.A.T goes over any terrain mode system returns with even more refined terrain profiles. Whether you're crawling over rocks, plowing through mud, or cruising sand dunes, the Bronco adapts like a champion. Inside, the cabin is designed to be as bold as the exterior. A 12.3-inch touchscreen running the latest Sync 5 system dominates the dash, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging come standard. But what really stands out is the feel. Rubberized flooring, marine-grade vinyl seats, and waterproof switchgear make the interior both premium and adventure-ready. Let's talk doors and roof. Yes, they're removable, just like you'd want. Ford has improved the quick-release mechanisms, and now everything can be done faster and stored more efficiently. The open-air experience is better than ever, giving you that true Bronco vibe with the wind in your hair and the sky above. The 2026 model also introduces a new Bronco TrailCam with 360-degree off-road viewing, helping you navigate tight paths and rough terrain with confidence. Combine that with Trail Turn Assist and advanced 4x4 locking differentials, and you're looking at one of the most capable vehicles in the segment. Ford didn't just stop at off-road capability, the new Bronco is also smarter. The Ford Company Pilot 360 suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. You're not just getting a wild ride, you're getting a smart one, too. For those looking to customize, Ford is offering more accessory packs than ever. From roof tents to snorkel kits, you can build your Bronco into whatever you want it to be. Whether you're a weekend warrior, an overlanding adventurer, or someone who just wants to turn heads at every intersection, the 2026 Bronco delivers. In terms of value, the Bronco starts competitively, with a base model that's affordable and trims that scale up with serious luxury and tech. And yes, there's even talk of a fully electric Bronco coming soon, but that's a topic for another day. So, is the 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's powerful, smart, and built for adventure. Whether you're climbing cliffs or commuting in the city, it gives you that freedom on wheels feeling that only a Bronco can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dives into the vehicles that move the world. Until next time, keep driving wild.